Keeping the noise level down is very important when you hunt animals. I have 7 pairs of footwear to test for walking noise today. Salewa Raven 3 GTX Hunter's Element Ukrainian Army Hunter's Element Prowl Merrell Trail Glove 6 Merrell Vapor Glove 5 and Skinner's 1.0 sock shoes. think these sock shoes is the quietest and very comfortable. If you walk very carefully, you can walk really quiet like a ninja does, but probably better not wear these in very cold weather or in the snow. Second quietest is the Merrell Barefoot Glove 5. Even you walk carelessly, these shoes will keep the noise down quite well. Third place is Merrell Trail Glove 6. This is trail running minimalist shoes, and it has a little bit harder sole than a Merrell Barefoot Glove 5, so you won't feel pains when you walk on the sharp rocks. Fourth place is Hunter's Element boots. It is full shank alpine boots, but surprisingly it placed fourth. It is a bit old and worn, maybe it's getting a bit softer over time. Fifth place is Hunter's Element Prowl boots. It is designed for stalking animals, but it's still quite new, so maybe a little bit stiff. Maybe that's why it was a bit noisier than Element boots. Sixth place is Ukrainian army boot. It has very soft upper and very easy to walk around, but has a very hard rubber sole, and that made it a little bit noisier. Here is the noisiest Salewa Raven 3 boots. It's an alpine boot, so it's very solid and not designed to walk quietly. That's my unscientific boots noise review. I'm not a person who has a really good hearing, so you might have different ideas. Hope this will help which footwear to wear when you're stalking animals.